The Supreme Court is adding pork to its legal menu. The justices are taking up a challenge to a California law. Proposition 12 was approved by California voters in 2018, and it says that pork sold in the state must be sourced from pigs raised in humane conditions. NBC News Justice correspondent Pete Williams joins us now. Pete, what's the issue here specifically? I mean, why would there be a challenge to a law about raising animals humanely?
Well, it's a constitutional question. You're right. The California voters did approve that proposition. Very popular. 63% of the vote passed. And what it says is that any pork consumed in California has to come from sows that are raised in pens that are a certain size. Now, what many pork producers say is that's more size than most sows get, and that this will vastly change the way pork is produced in America, and that's not fair. The constitutional question is this. The Commerce Clause says that Congress can't restrict interstate commerce, can't pass laws restricting interstate commerce, and that has come to mean that no individual state can pass a law that affects interstate commerce. That's the real question here. The court took a long time before finally deciding to take this case. And so that is the issue. Did California do something that's unconstitutional because its state law will, in essence, regulate pork production nationwide? Now, there are disputes over this. As you say, the Humane Society says this is just about raising animals humanely and in a safe way that could also help the safety and health of consumers. And some pork producers, including some of the big ones, Hormel's, Tyson's Foods, say they will abide by these standards. But nonetheless, the farm organizations and pork producers in two of the biggest states say this is an unconstitutional effort to substitute California's judgment for the rest of the country's. And the court will hear this case in its new term beginning in the fall.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.